Let us take up a question on issue of shares at premium. So question number 5 on page 6.156. Z Limited was registered with an authorized capital of rupees 60 lakhs divided in 60,000 equity shares of 100 each. Company issued 25,000 equity shares at a premium of rupees 20 per share, payable as follows: rupees 30 on application, rupees 45 on allotment, including premium. So 20 rupees premium has been included 45. That means your actual allotment date is 25. It is already mentioned here that premium is included at time of allotment. Rupees 20 on first call and rupees 25 on second and final call. You must always add all the 4 installments to check whether it is coming 120 rupees. All shares were subscribed and all the money was due received. Share issue expenses amount rupees 40,000, which were fully written off against security premium. Even if it is not mentioned that these expenses to be written off, it has to be written off against security premium because the company has received money against premium also. Prepare necessary journal entries, bank account and opening balance sheet. Now the first entry will be for receiving the application money on 25,000 shares at the rate rupees 30 each. The entry will be bank account debit to equity share. Now since it is mentioned the name of the type of kind of share, equity or preference, it is mentioned equity, so you will open equity share application account with 7,50,000. In the narration will mention being application money received on 25,000 shares of rupees or at the rate of rupees 30 each. It is not necessary to mention equity in the narration. Then transfer this money to equity share capital account. Entry will be equity share application account debit to equity share capital account with the same amount, being application money transfer to equity, or you can just mention transfer to share capital account. The next entry is for allotment money due. Now you have to see in the question that was the share issued at premium and is it including in allotment, and in this question it is already mentioned that 20 rupees the premium included in allotment. Allotment actual rate is 25 and the premium is 20, so 45 is the allotment rate. Entry will be equity share allotment account debit 25,000 into 45, that's how we got 11,25,000, to equity share capital account 25,000 into 25. Why? Because the actual allotment rate is 25, not 45. That goes to share capital account. So 6,25,000 will be credited, and the amount which you received in the name of premium, we open securities premium reserve account, it's 5 lakhs, that is 25,000 into 20. You will not write equity securities premium, it is not written because it is not a type of a kind of share. Since it is a liability, it will be credited as you can see in the journal. Narration will be being allotment money due on 25,000 shares at the rate of rupees 45 each, including premium at the rate rupees 20 each. Then in the question is given that all the money received, that means you received no allotment, all the money also, there is no unpaid amount. Entry will be bank account debit to equity share allotment account, being allot money received. The next entry is for call money. We have first call and second call in this question. Equity share first call account debit to equity share capital account. The number of shares are 25,000 into 20 gives you 5 lakhs, being first call money due on 25,000 shares at the rate of rupees 20 each. Then the entry for receiving the money, bank account debit to equity share first call account, being first call money received. Then we have the next two entries for second and final call. equity share second and final call account debit to equity share capital account, being second and final call money due on 25,000 shares at the rupees 25 each. Then the entry for receiving bank account debit to equity share second and final call, being second and final call money received. Since we have expenses also in this question, the entries will be share issue expense account debit 40,000 to bank account, being expenses incurred on issue of shares. We have received money, excess money on account of premium, so it will be written off against security reserve account, otherwise from statement of PL. The entry will be securities premium reserve account debit to share issue expense account, being share issue expenses account transferred or written off to securities premium reserve account.